There is only one thing left. Extreme durability testing. One thing is for sure, it's a freaking long way down. If you're watching this video, guys, you're already a superhero. Elevate yourself to the position of demigod and smash the like button. Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video, we've got the Team Corally Kagama, and we have some special upgrades. So guys, in this video, we are going to open up the care package, see what's inside. We've got a lot of carbon fiber goodies. We're going to install them. Alright, we have got carbon fiber stiffener, upper front right, wing washer, lower rear right, lower front right, lower front left, lower rear right. This is performance data logger holder so that we can have performance tracker installed on the vehicle without any risk of damage or loss, I hope. And then, what a nice touch. Handy makes you happy. So these parts are all to stiffen the suspension arms. Do you really need them for bashing? Not particularly. Do they look super cool? Are they freaking bling? Hell yeah. So I can see an application, guys, for these. Although you don't particularly need them for bashing, they could be useful in a couple of scenarios. One, if you want to challenge yourself around the track and make the chassis stiffer, make the arms, etc., and the chassis general body strength stiffer, these could be good. If you're running in extreme heat like I do and your plastics are getting soft, this will help to keep things a little bit more stable. And likewise, maybe in extreme cold, when your plastics are susceptible to breakage, this might give them a little bit of extra rigidity. But overall, we're doing it for looks. Let's go. Oh, bling. Pimpin'. One side of pure carbon fiber bling. Carbon fiber front end is in action. So we are bling bling carbon fibered. Bling, bling, bling. carbon fibre in the back, in the front. So I've just installed this, and I have used some double-sided tape as well because it's not grabbing tightly onto the bracing. But now it's rock solid. Come on. Onboard telemetry.
There is only one thing left. Extreme durability testing. 29 floors will it reach? Terminal velocity. That is the question. One thing is for sure, it's a freaking long way down.
Guys, if you want to see this thing tested on the track, drop a comment down below. If the carbon fiber does it for you, drop a comment, let me know what you think. If you're watching this video, guys, you're already a superhero. Elevate yourself to the position of demigod and smash the like button.